Doesn't work. Doesn't work.
Harold is once again brushing his teeth meticulously, left and right. If one had asked Harold, he would have said that this particular Wednesday was exactly like all the Wednesdays prior, and he began it the same way he... And he began it the same way he always did.
Hello?
He began it the same way he always did. When others' minds would...
Hello? Is someone there?
When others' minds would fantasize about their upcoming day, or even try to grip onto the final moments of their dreams, Harold just counted brushstrokes.
All right. Who just said Harold counted brushstrokes? And how do you know I'm counting brushstrokes? Hello?
It was remarkable how the simple, modest... It was remarkable how the simple, modest elements of Harold's life, so often taken for granted, would become the catalyst for an entirely new life.